Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can make more than $100 every single day trading chart patterns using Bitcoin or basically any other altcoin. So let's just straight jump into the chart. So what you need for this is, of course, you need to identify a pattern first. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this. Secondly, you need, of course, TradingView in order to see the chart, and you need a crypto exchange with low fees. If you don't have a crypto exchange yet, then you might want to use the first link in the description because of some reasons. Let me quickly tell you this before we jump into the chart, and let me show you guys how you can make those $100 a day. But first, what you want to do is you want to go to the first link in the description, because if you use my link and deposit $100, you will get $55 completely for free. All you need to do is sign up for a ByBit account using my link, deposit $100, claim a $10 bonus from the deposit blast off, claim $20 welcome gift, and claim a $25 spring shower reward. So easy to $55 completely for free. You can use in your trading, withdraw, do whatever you want with this. But this is how you can get $55 completely for free. This is a special promotion ByBit is currently running with some people or with some influencers basically. 23 days left. So yeah, make sure to go to the first link in the description if you want a free $55. That being said, let me show you how you can identify a pattern like this and how you can trade them. Because let me quickly show you guys how much money I'm making using this method. We can currently see I'm about $140 in the profit here over on my ByBit account. So yeah, just quickly wanted to show you guys. I know it was upside down or weird, but that's because I'm filming on my phone with screen recording, because it's a lot easier to show you guys everything then. That being said, let me quickly show you guys how you can identify a pattern. Here, for example, over on the 4-hour chart, we can clearly see this pattern. And a pattern is and basically you have a lot of different patterns. We can see this is a different pattern, and this is also a different pattern. But a pattern is 2 or 3 lines, sometimes 2 lines, sometimes 3, 4 lines, most of the time 2 lines, which are being used as support and resistance. They can be downward sloping, upward sloping. They can go straight down, straight up, or they can be a little bit like this, of course, or they can also be just straight, just like a box basically. Currently, this is what we are having right here is called a bull flag. And these are 2 downward sloping lines, a support line and a resistance line, as you guys can see. And all you need to do in order to identify one is simply looking at an area where the price has resisted a lot, and then drawing a line on it, and a line where the price has supported a lot. It's really easy to find those patterns. That's not the hard part. You can even find patterns like this on Twitter, on different altcoins. Just type in on Twitter something like Bitcoin pattern or Ethereum pattern, and you will find one as well. That's not the hard part. The hard part is taking the trade. But even though it might be the hard part, it's still pretty easy if you know what you're doing. All you want to do is you want to see, for example, right here, we can see this was a resistance line. The price came at this resistance line again now for the 4th time. Chances are really big it's going to resist again, and we can see it perfectly resisted. What you want to do is you want to enter here on the retest, so we can see a clear retest. You want to enter at the retest, which is right there. All you want to do then is you want to place a short position, because we're going short at resistance, of course. Stop loss just above the pattern in case we do decide to break out, and then just place your take profit where our support line is, because the price is likely to bounce from there. So yeah, this was a perfect shorting opportunity, and I actually took this, and yeah, I made a lot of money with this. All you need to do is go short here and just close here. That's all you need to do. It sounds really weird or hard, but it's so stupid easy. And I don't know why more people are talking about this, because this is how you can make a lot of money. And then we're now here. We can see this was previously a lot of support, of course. So what we're going to do is we're going to now place a long position here. Let me quickly go for a long position. All you want to do is you want to put your take profit around this level right here. Stop loss just under this line. And then you just want to wait for the retest. We can see we got 1 line, and we got now 1 candle. Second candle touched the line. You want to go long right here, and we can see a massive bounce up already. We didn't quite fill our take profit yet, but it will eventually, if you're doing it right and if the pattern is right, it will eventually break to the upside because this is a bullish pattern. So yeah, I'm still in this trade. I just showed you guys this trade over on my ByBit on my phone, and yeah, that's actually the trade I took. This is the trade I took and how I made a lot of money, and how I'm currently making some money. It's still open, and yeah, that's basically everything you need to do. I know it's really easy, it looks maybe even a little weird, but this is all you need to do to actually be profitable at trading. Of course, you also want to know some different things. It's not all about patterns, but if you just simply want to try scalping out, if you want to just try scalping using patterns, then this is how you want to do this. This was the basic guide. Of course, there are some more things because it's not always going to perfectly bounce. However, the higher your time frame, I'm currently on the 4 hour, the higher your time frame, the more likely the pattern is actually going to play out. So for example, you don't want to do this on a 5-minute chart if you're not a beginner, which means it will take longer for your trade to take place or to play out. But then it's maybe not a scalp, but just a longer swing, of course. But still, if you once you tried higher time frames, you can slowly scale back down to the 1 hour, 5 minute, 1 minute even, and once you're a little bit more advanced. But this is what you want to do if you're a complete beginner. So yeah, this is how you can basically scalp trade. It's really easy, and I hope I gave you some information. This was a basic guide. I know it's really basic, but this is basically everything you need to know in order to trade a pattern. I'm getting so many questions on my Telegram, on my just using WhatsApp. Everyone is asking all those things about how can I trade, how can I scalp trade this good, how am I currently running $140 in profit like it's nothing. Well, simply because of patterns and because of support and resistance. So yeah, if you have any questions, you can always message me over on Telegram or over in the YouTube comment section. So yeah, make sure to go subscribe to this channel, like this video, join my Telegram channel, third link in the description. That being said, I would really appreciate it if I see you in my next Bitcoin or crypto video.